So ngayon is subukan na nating mag-solve ng mga present worth sample problems. So this video is meant to be used as a guide only to further our understanding. O kaya ay to have a different perspective sa kung paano sinusolve other than dun sa way nyo. Kapag halimbawa ay itong mga problems na nandito sa video ay kaparehas nung sinasagutan nyo, make sure na hindi lang kinokopya mismo yung sagot, kundi ay naiintindihan natin yung kung paano nangyayari yung mga ginagawa sa problems. So ayun, first problem na tayo. Ito medyo mahaba. The Murphy County Fire Department, may fire department daw. 2 options for upgrading its aging physical facilities. So 2 options, bali may plan A. Plan A, remodeling the fire stations in Alameda Avenue and Trowbridge Boulevard. So plan A is aayusin yung dalawang lumang station na cost sa isang station ay $952,000 while yung cost sa isang station ay $1.3 million. So sa plan B naman, plan B, buying 5 acres of land somewhere between the two stations. So bagong lupa, gagawa ng bagong station, ibebenta yung land na luma. Tapos ngayon, ang cost ng land daw ay $366,000 per acre. Size nung fire station na bago ay 9,000 square feet. Na construction cost ay 151.18 per square foot ang construction cost. Contractor fees for overhead profit are expected to be at $340,000, while yung architect fees will be $81,500. So assume all costs for plan B occur at time 0. Tapos ngayon, if plan A is adopted, extra cost per year is $126,000. Tapos kapag plan B naman, ina-expect nila na merong $500,000 in 5 years kapag nabenta yung dalawang site. So interest rate natin is 6% per year. Ang life is 50 years. So ayun, determine which plan is better based on present worth analysis. So ilagay muna natin yung dalawang plan. Plan A, given muna tayo, at plan B. So sa plan A, lista muna natin lahat ng magiging cost. Bale, cost 1 equal sa negative 952,000. Yung cost 2 is equal to yung negative 1,300,000. Yan lang ang mga cost sa plan A. Kasi itong isa is annual cost to. Itong cost 1 and cost 2 is yung upfront cost. Tapos dito sa plan B, ang mga upfront cost or yung cost na mag-start dun sa time 0 or sa present. Usog ko lang ng onte. Ang cost 1 is equal to yung 5 acres of land daw. 5 acres na ang presyo per acre ay 366,000 per acre. Na magiging ang 5 times 366,000, 5 times 366,000 ay negative 1,830,000. So, ni-negative na natin kasi cost siya. Cost 2 is equal to yung construction cost na 9,000 square feet ang area, tapos 151.18 per square foot. Kapag ito pala ay save muna natin sa A. Bale, 9,000 times 151.18 ay negative na natin. 1,360,620. Store natin to sa B muna. Tapos, ano pang next na cost? Is cost 3. Baba ko lang onte. Ayan. Cost 3 na yung negative 340,000 para sa contractor fees. Saka cost 4 na negative 81,500 para sa architect. Ayan na yun. Ito yung mga cost. So, ito yung mga cost sa initial year or sa initial time na 0. So, kung kunin muna natin ang total cost T dito sa plan A ay magiging 952,000 plus 1,300,000 ay magiging negative 2,252,000 ang cost total ng plan A. So, sa plan B naman, ang magiging cost total is equal to A plus B minus 340,000. I-minus na natin, minus 81,500. Bali, ang lalabas na total cost is negative 3,612,120. So, bakit natin kinuha muna yung total cost? Kasi pag sinubukan na natin gumawa ng cash flow diagram, ayan, gagawa tayo ng cash flow diagram. Since total cost, kung pag total cost na lang ang nilagay natin sa simula, mas madadalian tayo. So, dito sa A, ang total cost niya, ito yon yung cost T. Ito yan yung at year 0. Tapos, ano meron sa A? 126,000 per year extra cost. So, sabihin natin 126,000 yan hanggang umabot ng year 50. Kasi 50 year ang useful life. So, ito ang cash flow diagram ng plan A. For plan B, ang cash flow diagram ng plan B ay ganito. Yung cost T, yun ulit. Tapos, ano nang meron? Within, sa 5 years daw is merong ina-anticipate na $500,000 na papasok sa kanila. 500K sa 5 years to, so 0. Yan ang cash flow diagram nung plan B. So, yun, solve na natin. Solve na natin muna ang present worth ng A. So, ang present worth ng A is equal to yung cost na nauna na nating inailagay, negative 2,252,000. Since present na yan, wala tayong gagalawin. Plus, yung mga 126,000, negative 126,000. So, meron tayo, gusto natin ng present given annuity, 6%, tapos 50 years. Bale, ito ay magiging is equal to negative 2,252,000 plus negative 126,000. Itong PA na to ay magiging 1.06 raised to 50 minus 1 all over 0.06 raised to 1.06 raised to 50. Ayan. So, kapag kinalculate natin yan ay magiging, so, ang PWA ay magiging negative dollars to 4,237,994.44. Yan ang PWA. So, next naman natin is PWB. PWB is equal to yung unang upfront cost na 3,612,120 is equal to negative 3,612,120 plus ito ngayon is positive 500,000. Bale, gusto natin ang present, given, future, 6%, 5 years lang. Kasi 5 years lang siya. Bale is equal to negative 3,612,120 plus 500,000, 1.06 raised to negative 5. So, makakuha natin sagot ay lalabas na PWB is equal to negative 3,238,490.91. So, ayun, same yung rules na sinusunod natin kung ano ang numerically largest. So, ang numerically largest dito, since parehas negative, is PWB dahil siya yung mas malapit sa 0. So, PWB, ibig sabihin, select plan B. Okay. So, for our next problem, Midwest Power Light operates 14 coal-fired power plants, several states and United States. Company recently settled a lawsuit by agreeing to pay $60 million in mitigation costs. Settlement included $21 million to reduce emissions, $24 million to conserve energy, $3 million for Chesapeake Bay, $2 million for Shenandoah National Park, $10 million Appalachia. The question of how to distribute the money over time has been posed. So, ayun, walang kwenta tong buong to. So, plan A muna tayo, involves spending 5 million now, tapos yung 55 million equally over a 10-year period, bale magiging 55 million in 10 years. Sa plan B naman, 5 million now rin, tapos 25 million 2 years from now, 30 million 7 years from now. So, isang bagsakan yon. So, basis of present worth analysis over a 10-year period and interest rate of 10% per year. So, ayun, given muna tayo. Bali, ang given natin is, ang given natin ay drawing na natin ang cash flow diagram nila. So, ito ay para sa plan A. So, ang plan A is $5 million now. 5 million. Tapos, 10 5.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5.5 million. Pagdating naman sa plan B, ganun ulit, gawa ulit tayo ng cash flow diagram. Ganun din, may 5 million unang ilalabas at year 0. So, at 2 years from now, merong 25 million. Mali. Sige, lakihan natin to. 2 years from now, merong 25 million. Tapos, 7 years from now is merong 30 million. Bale, ito ay 0, ito ay 2, ito ay 7. So, kukunin lang ulit natin ang present worth nila. So, for plan A muna tayo. Ayan, solution na. For plan A, present worth A is equal to yung negative 5 million, 5 na lang, tapos i-multiply na lang natin sa million. Plus, meron tayong annuity na negative 5.5. So, meron tayong, gusto natin ng present given annuity. 10% ang interest rate, tapos 10 years siya. Bali, magiging negative 5 plus negative 5.5 times PA na 1.1 raised to 10 minus 1 over 0.1 times 1.1 raised to 10. So, ito, PWA is equal to, ang magiging sagot dyan ay negative 5 plus negative 5.5 times 1.10 raised to 10 minus 1 over ay lalabas na negative 38,795,119.08. Ayan ang present worth ng plan A. For plan B, so present worth B is equal to, ganun ulit, 5. In terms of million muna natin siya ulit kasi ganun din naman. Plus, so in 2 years, yung 25 million, gusto natin ng present given future, 10% pa rin, tapos 2 years lang to, plus yung 30 million na negative pa rin, present given future, 10% pa rin, 7 years. Tama, 7 years. Ngayon, magiging is equal to negative 5 plus negative 25 times 1.1 raised to negative 2 plus negative 30 times 1.1 raised to negative 7. So, ang PWB is equal to, magiging equal siya sa negative 41 million, may dollars yan, 41,055,900.57. So, ayun, hanapin natin ang numerically largest, which is plan A. Therefore, we select plan A. So, for the next problem, an industrial engineer is considering 2 robots for purchase by a fiber-optic manufacturing company, Robot X, First choice is robot X. First cost of 80K. Annual maintenance cost na 30K. Saka salvage value na 40K. So si robot Y, first cost is 97K. Annual cost is 27. Salvage value na 50K. So it should be selected on the basis of ito naman ay future worth 15% per year, 3-year study period. So game. So dun muna tayo kay robot X. I-drawing na natin siya rekta sa cash flow diagram. So si robot X, ang cash flow diagram ni robot X. So first cost daw na 80,000. Tapos annual cost na 30K. So 1, 2, 3. Tapos kasi sabi 3-year study period lang naman. Tapos may salvage value na 40K. Etong mga to ay mali. Etong mga to ay 30K. Bale, ito 0, 1, 2, 3. So, para ka man kay robot Y, gawa ulit tayo ng cash flow diagram. First cost is 97K. Tapos, annual cost na 27. 1, 2, 3. 27K. Tapos, salvage value niya is 50K. Ganun pa rin 0, 1, 2, saka 3. Now, solve na natin yung ang hinahanap ngayon is future worth. So, solve na natin yung future worth. So, una naman tayo sa X. Future worth ni X is equal to unang-una, sige, unahin na natin tong 80K. So, negative 80,000. Tapos, bale, ang future worth, gusto ko ng future worth given ang P ko. Tapos, ang I ko ay 15%. Tapos, N is equal to 3. Plus, meron akong annuity na negative 30K. Negative 30,000. Gusto ko ng future worth given annuity 15%. Tapos, 3 years din. Plus naman, last na is yung future worth na 40K is future na yan since 3 years na yan. So, ito ay magiging negative 80,000. Future given present ay magiging 1.15 raised to 3. Plus negative 30,000. FA is magiging 1.15 raised to 3 minus 1 all over 0.15. Tapos plus 40,000 na yan ay magiging FWX is equal to negative 185,845. So, ayan. So, compute naman natin yung future worth ni Y is equal to negative 97,000 times future, gusto ko ng future given P, 15% pa rin, 3% pa rin, plus yung annuity niya na annual worth na na 27,000 times yun ulit 1.15 raised to 3 minus 1 all over 0.15 plus ngayon 50,000. Bale, magiging FWY is equal to, nakalimutan pala to na magiging, itong FP ay magiging, diretso na lang din natin kasi parehas lang naman. Ito ay magiging FP 1.15 raised to 3. So, bale, yan ay magiging negative 191,282.375. So, ayon, as usual, highest numerical value. Therefore, ang pipiliin natin is yung select robot X.